why we're prioritizing TikTok, but maybe you shouldn't. So last week, someone asked me a question about TikTok, and because we've been talking about how we're starting to pursue that. And then they asked me a question of like, why would you do it? And I gave them some answer of like, oh, a lot of people are coming there and the platform's going, and the platform's going to be important, so you might as well go there. But I actually thought about it more, and I want to reframe. And so, raise your hand in the audience, people that remember the must-listen podcast episode, Marketing is Pure Offense. It's my favorite podcast episode by far. And so this is what us running in TikTok is pure offense, right? And so a lot of companies are not where we are. They don't have a live event strategy that's working. They don't have a podcast that's coming out 3 times a week that's working that people love. They don't have that repackaged onto LinkedIn in order to get the value from it. Now we're scaling that into YouTube with daily videos. And now we're moving into TikTok, right? So for some companies, moving into TikTok seems foreign because they don't have a lot of the other things running. But as you start getting the wheels turning and the things moving, you can start to play offense. And so it doesn't look like it makes sense to companies out there that can't figure out how to do anything but write their blogs. But to us, it's the next logical step to make. And it's making a big bet in something. It's not even a bet, right? It's almost like it's obviously going to happen. We're just moving in there and investing early so that when everything moves, we can be there. And so to zoom out, I just to bring us back to the offense topic, this is what happens when you build momentum over years. This is why we need to look at marketing over a long period of time, because as you start putting the pieces together, you get compounding gains. You move exponentially further ahead of people that are not moving at your speed. You have 1, 2, 3 channels that you're operating on that your competitors are not operating on at all. And you just have complete freedom to market directly to your customers, and nobody else even knows what to do there. And so that's why we're prioritizing TikTok, but it's also why maybe you shouldn't.